Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Acura MDX with the technology package. This one's blue. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 295 horsepower. Four wheels have got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Gray leather interior, sunroof, rear climate controls, third row seating, trailer hitch, SH all-wheel drive MDX badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, set of all-season floor mats, keyless entry, memory seats, wood trim, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, climate controls, hard keys for a media display, automatic transmission, USB ports and auxiliary, power outlet. This MDX has 118,332 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura MDX, check out feldmannimports.com.